Hey, you are watching Zing's Natural Nails. Welcome. I'm Zing and I'm going to show you how I created this purple nail look because, well, why not? Let's go. Okay, so I'm starting off with my bare natural nails and I'm going to add a base coat. Any base coat will do as long as it does the job and you like it, no problem. I'm going to paint all my nails with the base coat. Now, I always do 2 coats, but it's not necessary. I'm just extra. You can go ahead and do 1 coat and leave it at that. I'm just me. Okay, great. So once that's done, you're going to use your purple nail polish and your nude nail polish. You're going to put your purple nail polish on your little fingernail, your index nail, and your thumbnail. Don't forget to wrap the edges if you want your manicure to last long. If you don't, then don't bother. You're going to use your nude color on your ring fingernail and your middle fingernail. These are going to be your accent nails. And a top coat never hurt anybody, so you're going to go ahead and do a top coat just to make the nail polish look more opaque on both colors. Okay, once your nails are completely dry, and I'm talking bone dry, you're going to cut some tape and place it at an angle on your nail. Then you're going to add your purple nail polish and paint in between the tape and where your nail begins on the left. I don't think I described that well, so just go ahead and look at what I'm doing. Once you've done that, you're going to peel the sellotape off your nail. Take your time with this, and you should be left with a nice diagonal line of color. Once you've done the ring fingernail, you're going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to your middle finger and peel off your sellotape, and again you should be left with a nice diagonal line of color. Okay, once that's done, you're going to do the same thing to the other side of your nail. So you're placing your tape at an angle on the right side of your nail and using your purple nail polish to paint. What you're trying to do is create like a triangular outline using the purple nail polish and the sellotape, and then gently peel it off. And you're going to do the exact same thing for your middle finger, again placing the tape on the right at an angle, using your polish to make the outline of a triangular point, triangular shape, however you want to put it. And then you're peeling off the tape. Now, if you're like me and you tend to mess up a nail look and you refuse to redo it, you can just correct it using some acetone. I'm just using some acetone and a cotton bud to wipe off the smudged bit of purple on my nail because I was not about to do this look again. And then I used some more nude nail polish. Okay, once that's done, you're going to be using some silver striping tape. Now the idea is to place the striping tape on top of the line that you created with the sellotape and the purple polish. So again, you're just creating a triangular outline and use the striping tape to create a point at the edge of your nail. So you're going to start with the ring finger and then do the exact same thing on your middle fingernail. And then you're going to cut off the excess striping tape. Once you've done that, you're going to use purple striping tape. And this time, you're going to put your striping tape diagonally across your ring fingernail. And you're creating an X in the middle of your nail. Take your time with this. It can be a little bit tedious, but once you've got it, you've definitely got it. And you're gonna do the same to your middle fingernail. Again, diagonally placing the striping tape. And once you're done, cut off the excess. And your last step, finally, we're almost there, is to use a clear top coat. Now I prefer to use a quick drying top coat because I'm very impatient and I don't like waiting hours on end for my nails to dry. But if you don't mind the wait, then go ahead and use any good top coat that you have. Wrap the ends if you want your nail polish to last. And it leaves a nice glossy finish. And once you're done with your top coat, you can just leave it to dry. And there you go, you are left with this purple nail look with 2 accent nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, comment and subscribe, no pressure. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Zing'sNaturalNails, where I post more of my nail looks. Bye!